Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. Krishi Jagran launches a new website, tractornews.in, to provide the farmers with a digital window with detailed information of agri machinery's latest news and technology specification for various brands across the country. Along with this, a webinar on farm mechanization is also being organized to discuss the importance of farm mechanization. This event is sponsored by Apollo Tires.
This is a very important day for Krishi Jagran. So what we found that in agriculture, the most important, the maximum investment that go after the land is the tractor. So we are going to focus now on the tractor industry and how it can be available to the farmers the best way possible, and they can understand what are the way they can what you say maximize its utility. So we will not only considering the tractor, though it is the prime priority, we will be linking all other aspects that is related to agriculture machinery.
As we all know that farm mechanization plays a crucial role in increasing agricultural productivity. The Indian farmer community has been well received and adopted farm mechanization as one of the most important elements of modernization of agriculture because it enhances the agricultural productivity and consequently the rural prosperity goes ahead with this. With a vision to provide the latest updates and information on farm mechanization to the farming community, Krishi Jagran is starting its new entity, tractornews.in. This platform aims to provide the farmers a digital window with the detailed information of agri machinery's latest news and technology specification for various brands across the country.
3 टाइम हो चुका है। तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है हम लोगों को कि अगर लैंड कम है तो उससे फसल ज्यादा कैसे हो सकती है। साइंस को साथ में ले आना पड़ेगा, मैकेनाइजेशन को साथ में लाना पड़ेगा। और ऐसा नहीं है कि फार्म मैकेनाइजेशन नया है। अगर आप देखें 1961 में भी इंपोर्ट किया जाता था पावर टिलर को या ट्रैक्टर्स को। ये भी आता है कि रियली में हमें बड़ा ट्रैक्टर चाहिए या छोटा ट्रैक्टर चाहिए, तो मैं इसलिए कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन देना चाहूंगा कृषि जागरण को कि उन्होंने जो अपना वेबसाइट लॉन्च किया है और वो सही सजेशन दे पाएंगे। काफी टाइम हमने देखा है गांव में बड़ा ट्रैक्टर वो एक इज्जत की बात मानी जाती है, वो यूटिलिटी है कि नहीं है उस पर नहीं सोचा जाता। और उसके चक्कर में क्या हो जाता है, वो कर्ज के दबे आ जाते हैं और प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा शुरू हो जाती है। तो ये मैकेनाइजेशन जो है वो ओनली ट्रैक्टर कहेंगे वो शायद सही नहीं है। ट्रैक्टर के अलावा बहुत सारे इक्विपमेंट्स हैं।
And it is indeed a pleasure for me to be here on the launch of tractornews.in by Krishi Jagran. I congratulate you and your team and wish you all the very best for making this launch a big success, taking information to all the farmers. As all of you know, data and information is the new oil, right? Or the new gold, as they call it. So this is the most important thing that we can do to empower our farmers. Especially we are at VST Tillers Tractors Limited working very closely with small and marginal farmers. I want to leave a thought with all of you. The most important thing is to work on 5 A's, as I call it, which is the first A is awareness, second A is availability, third A is accessibility, fourth is making affordable, and fifth is building the ability for the farmers.
You have done a wonderful contribution to agriculture, and I'm sure it's going to continue and flourish more. We all know that while technologies get developed in the universities, in the labs, and in the industry, but unless they reach the end user, they reach the farmers, there is no point having those technologies. There is no use having those technologies, and that's why extension has been one very, very important department, important vertical in every organization, all the government organizations and all government initiatives. Since our country, fortunately, our country is so diverse and so varied across the length and breadth that no one single media was able to, given the complexity of the languages, was able to give a solution, a connect, a platform where the entire India can be brought on one platform. And I think that is a big void which Krishi Jagran has been able to fill. And that is the biggest contribution of Dominic, you and your entire team.
I think all of us should be taking a lot of pride in, and obviously supporting you from all corners in terms of content and ensuring that it reaches the end users to ensure that the right impact can be brought to the table. I'll keep this brief. I just have two messages for everybody out here. Firstly, I think I predominantly strongly feel mechanization is not about using one tool or two tools or using a tractor or using a tiller. I strongly feel mechanization is a mindset. Mechanization has to become a cool lifestyle. I can tell you the problem that I see in India is a lot of youngsters don't want to do it because it's no longer the lifestyle that they want to adopt. So I think what we need to start encouraging everybody, on the ground is mechanization has to be a lifestyle and it is a mindset shift. Before people start doing something with their own two hands, they need to start figuring out, is there a better way of doing it? Is there a better way that can reduce labor? Is there a better way that will actually increase productivity? And if so, what is the overall cost benefit analysis of adopting it? I think more often than not, it is just the cost benefit analysis that people don't do, or they are not taught to do, that they actually start using, doing things everything with their own two hands. So I think people need to understand that mechanization has to be a mindset shift. It has to be a lifestyle, because eventually I can tell you agriculture is the only way how India is going to be climbing up the value chain in the global market.
After 2 years of posting losses, Mother Dairy Fruits and Vegetables Private Limited is back in the black with a net profit of rupees 1,805.80 crore in FY 22-2021 compared to the net loss of rupees 1,507.70 crore in FY 22-2021. Compared to net loss of rupees 1,507.70 crore in FY 19 to FY 2020. However, according to the latest ROC filing source from business intelligence platform Tolfer, the company total revenues remain flat. Total revenues in FY 2020-2021 stood at rupees 10,479.5 crore compared to rupees 10,447.13 crore in FY 19 to 2020. PSGCCI Jammu and Kashmir signed an MOU with Innoterra, a Swiss-Indian food and tech platform company with commercial footprint in 14 countries. The MOU aims to build capacity and support farmers in the state through farmer cooperative, aggregators and FPOs to bolster exports and improve market linkages. The MOU was signed by Baldev Singh Raina, Chairman of PSGCCI Kashmir, and Suniti Gupta, Managing Director and CEO of Innoterra Tech. CSIR-CMERI developed indigenous mechanized scavenging system successfully demonstrated at the premises of the National Physical Laboratory, Delhi. On the occasion, Professor Dr. Harish Hirani, Director CMRI Durgapur, explained the details of the indigenously developed technology of mechanized scavenging system. It was developed within the span of 8 months. New Holland Agriculture, a business unit of CNH Industrial, have been conferred with the Tractor of the Year 50 HP Award 2021 for the Next Holland 5620TX at the 3rd edition of the Farm Power Awards. They also bagged awards in the Most Wanted Implement of the Year and Best Harvesting Solution of the Year categories for the New Holland Square Baler BC5060 and the Forage Crucier FI 500 respectively. Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyoti Aditya Raj Scindia, MS India, launches Krishi Udyan 2.0 scheme to facilitate movement of agricultural produce by air. He said that the scheme will open up new avenues of growth for the agriculture sector and help attain the goal of doubling farmers' income by removing barriers in supply chain, logistics and transportation of farm produce. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.